Hazrat Zuhri has reported from Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Uwaymar came to Hazrat Asim bin Adi, the chief of Banu Ajlan, and said, "What do you say about a man who finds another man committing adultery with his wife? Will you kill him?" The husband, "If he kills him, the adulterer, or how should he act?" Ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam its precept on my behalf. So Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is the matter." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked this sort of questions. When Hazrat Uwaymar asked him, he said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked the question and considered it odious. Hazrat Uwaymar said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give it up until I ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam its precept." So Hazrat Uwaymar came and submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a man finds another man committing adultery with his wife. Now will you kill him in retaliation if he kills him, the adulterer, or what should he do?" Whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has sent down a command regarding you and your wife in the Quran." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued the decree of mutual imprecation in their case, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had mentioned it in his book. So he invoked imprecation against her and then submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it would be oppression on her if I kept her, so I have divorced her." Thereafter, this became a historical precedent for the next generations. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Look, if she bears a black child with black eyes, large buttocks, and plump calves, I will not but think that Uwaymar has spoken the truth about his wife. But if she delivers a reddish child like Wahara, red lizard-like animal, I will not but think that Uwaymar has told a lie against his wife." So she gave birth to a child having the features described by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which attested the truthfulness of Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu. So the child was ascribed to his mother henceforth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4745.